how to make audio ID public in Roblox. Now for this thing to work, all I have to do is to access your Roblox client and make sure that you're logged in into your account. From here, just head straight into create so that you will be redirected into Roblox Creator Hub. And from here, all I have to do is to go into creations at the left portion of your screen and then go into development items. Now this is where you'll have to upload your customized audio or any audio that you prefer. All you have to do is just make sure that you follow this required files like MP3, OGG, FLAC, and WAV files. It has to be 20 megabytes and not exceeding this specific size. Now, once you've uploaded your asset, all you have to do next is to get into the notification that is saying that anyone can view your asset, but you'll first need an approval to distribute on Creator Store. Simply click on submit for review and then just wait for it to be approved and you're good to go. And that is how you make Audio ID public in Roblox.